This is the UpNLive show here on the TGM radio, and we have a special guest in the studio. He's not a visitor. I think he's a furniture.
Yeah, I think so too.
In my family, like he's no stranger to the show. We have the one and only Mr. Ricardo Rawal in studio. Welcome, sir.
Big up.
It's good to see you again.
Always a pleasure.
How have you been?
I've been good. Could have been better, but I'm doing good still.
We can see it. You put it in the work. You know, you always have a pleasant facial expression, which is appreciated, because
fully appreciated.
Enough man have them face stuff up like them bigger and better than anybody.
Look here now, like when it come on to arts, put in them work.
Yes,
you talk
Ricardo
Rawal, because like I know Ricardo Rawal for quite a while now, and I watch his progress over the years coming up. I remember, like, from just the artist, usually have him 1-2 single. From an artist now who's trending in the dancehall scene,
Exactly.
He might finally look a song them way you can come and bus party with, because remember we're up on the ground, we're in the street, we are see what go on. So you don't know. He's fine in the formula.
So in 2019, and we in autumn now, don't can say we in autumn. And I realized your summer journey did kind of nice.
Yeah, man, it was a lovely summer.
Yeah, because tell me about it, because I saw this stuff, but from your experience, how was summer for you?
Well, summer was a very good summer. Summer was a big one. Like, I was on tour with Jada Kingdom, man. We got all over the UK. Like, I was in Manchester, I was in Newport, we went Peterborough, we went to where we went again? Stevenage. And then we closed off for London, which was a good one.
It was a good look.
Yeah.
And I mean, you have, with her being on the tour, what was your conversation like with her?
Funny enough, I never really conversated with her. For some reason, I didn't.
Why?
I don't know still. Like, I think she's alright, but we just never conversate.
Alright.
Yeah.
The man ain't a running artist. He's
not a running artist. I know one of them what did forward on the backstage and say, yo, want a picture with Jada?
But you know the funniest thing,
All one side.
You know the funniest thing? I never communicate with her, and people was taking pictures and stuff, but I come out with something different still.
Experience.
Yeah, okay, here we're going now. Like, when we was in Sheffield, it's like she asked for banana, and a man gave her mash up banana. You see it? So you don't say, being the royal as who I am, I was there.
You have the perfect one.
Yeah, I can't let down the money. You see me I say that? Yes, so we just give her some plant,
Okay. We took it up a notch.
Yeah.
Took it up a notch. That's good. That's good. And we're now here in October 2019.
Yeah.
And you're promoting a specific song.
Yeah.
No More.
Yeah.
Bad song, which we'll be playing later on in the show today.
Definitely.
So for persons who have not heard it, what is your inspiration behind the creation of No More?
Well, my inspiration behind No More, because as you can see right now, for me, especially in the UK and the streets of London, we're going through a crisis in terms of this knife crime. And where I can see what's happening, if you could check the ratio of who's it affecting, it's the younger generation. I would say probably between the age of, say, probably even 14, because 30, because if you remember last year, a youth died, he was 13. So from 13 goes up like to about 25 or so. Has been affected by that. And for me, there we're killing off a generation, and I don't see people talking about it and stuff like that. So
and you're right, and it's our ethnic background, so
exactly.
Definitely.
Yeah.
And if you check the ratio, it's mostly like young black youths.
Yep.
You see me? From Afro-Caribbean.
Who are involved in the knife crime and who are also victims of the knife crime.
Definitely.
And what is your aim with No More? What are we aiming for with the song?
Well, my aim with No More is to, like, even just stir up a conversation where people can get talking about it, because from talking there comes solution and there comes action. But if things happen and we keep silent about it, then no action is going to take place. So with this single, hopefully people can listen to it and kind of relate to it and say, you know what, full time we'll take a stand and say no more for real.
That's true.
That's true, because, like, to be honest, everybody is protecting their own community, but only the black community seem a bit, I would say, loose and slack.
Definitely.
Because I would say, like, we not doing it enough. Sometimes we sit down and we talk and we have the plans,
but we're not putting it into action.
Into action, because, like, as we say, Ricardo Rawal, from talks
Yeah.
become action.
Yeah.
And we're not sitting down having a talk and say like, man and man, whereas big man, we have some influence. Why
Yeah,
don't
definitely.
you get together, some gathering, and like, you don't put a song through.
Yeah.
You know, like, maybe you can't reach out to everybody, but maybe you just touch that one or that two person.
Definitely. And
Maybe that one or that two person find it and, you know, say, yo, me I left the knife today.
Yeah. And funny enough, I performed this song the other day, and when I performed this song, it was the first time I performed it. And I don't know if you remember an incident where a girl got shot in Tottenham.
Yeah.
And I wear a t-shirt and her mom phoned me and she was like, yo, this song really touched me. She was proper crying out for me. Like I kind of get my message across, because at least when somebody hear what I'm talking, I kind of understand and feel what I'm talking about. You see, and for me, that was very touching for me. If a big man don't cry, I was cry still.
Listen, men should show emotions, and that is my standpoint.
Why? Emotions are a sign of
you're
weakness.
a human being. It's not a sign of weakness.
Brother.
It's not a sign of weakness. You're human and you have emotions, and you should show it.
I said emotion is a sign of weakness.
All right, we're not. Anyways, so back to this no more conversation.
Yeah.
Sorry, we went off tangent for like 2 seconds.
Yeah.
So we have the song.
Yeah.
What else can we do? The song is generated to have the conversations.
Yeah. All right. For me right now, I'm not only just doing a song. I'm trying to start up a movement as well.
Okay. Talk to us about the movement.
The movement is I'm trying to do. I'm trying to use the hashtag no more. So I want everybody to get behind that. And also, I'm in the planning process of putting something together where I want to bring people from the community together where we can sit down and have a proper discussion. And I need help to do that. You get me? So anybody out there who's listening, you see me, I'm really interested in what I'm saying, and if we can come together and have a discussion.
Listen, we are calling right now on the dancehall community because like we are all in this thing together, and like everybody can do their bit to help. So I beg the dancehall man, and the selector, the DJ, the artists, the singers, everybody need to come through, even the dancer them, everybody come together and make we just try start a thing.
Yeah.
No matter how small it can be, but try a thing.
Yeah,
definitely. For reach.
Definitely. We need to do that.
We need to. It is a necessity. So no more is on the platform right now. So that is what we're.
It's not really out as yet. Still, I'm just promoting it.
I mean, we're promoting it. That's what I meant. We're promoting no more for now.
Yeah.
And that is the main focus for the rest of 2019. Or are we putting other songs out there?
No, right now this is the focus for me.
The focus is for no more.
And
Okay.
in 2019 we'll come in with something different, but we're still gonna be promoting that song to the end.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in terms of performing, what are the plans for 2019? For the rest of 2019?
I got a few shows coming up over the weekend.
Where can we see them? Where are the shows?
I'm lying, not the weekend. It's next weekend.
Talk to us
so
about that.
So next weekend I'll be in Luton at a thing called, it's a celebration and never will link up. It's London meet Luton. So I'll be down there in Luton with a host of artists. It's in me Big Zeeks. Tall up all of them host by Lady Gangster and things. So we're going to Luton.
Okay.
Gonna put on a show. Is it me? Big up Freckles anyway, then my brother. Giving me the opportunity on the show. And then after that I'll be over on the south side, where it's kinda like a bit it's an intimate show, like which are just performing for like families and stuff.
Okay.
So big up Chica on that one. Yeah, we'll be over there on the 26th, and then on the I think it's the 19th or something like that. The 7th, of November. We over Amasham Arms, so check that out as well.
Okay, so
hold on now. Speaking about this good topic, I know a few ladies want to know, so let me just dive in your business a little bit. Ladies, they want to know if you're taking or not.
Are you single and ready to mingle, or are you
every girl wants like a star,
and off the market?
I well, see me still. I'm an honest youth. I keep it real.
Is a bachelor for North London or what?
Nah, man, you don't know. We're fully occupied right now. You see me?
Sorry, ladies.
Yeah, we stay focused. You get me? Yeah. We stay focused.
And
you're a family person, aren't you? Because
I am.
You have a child as well.
No,
No, you don't.
I got children. That child.
Oh. Okay, he doesn't have one. He has more than one, and he's a very good father based on the footage I've seen. Seen him in action. He's really, really good. And how is family life? Are we planning on getting hitched or having more children? I'm just asking. I'm asking for a friend.
Whoa. I don't know still what the future holds. Is. Never say never.
Never say never. I like that.
Well, when you get married up, you have one host a DJ line up for you.
Big party.
Whatever, I don't know the GT of your
big party.
Good at around there.
Yeah.
Give me time now.
Yeah, the dream team have to be up in the building.
Yeah, I understand. But nothing happens before its time.
Yeah.
You don't know. Say there is a certain aspect of the show. You see.
You know yourself, man.
Do I look like I'm worried?
Hold on, we don't want him to reach here yet.
Oh, sorry. My apologies.
Let me just get in like who you plan to work with for the rest of the year, because when I think I asked that yet, you know, we're just doing a little update.
That's
like,
true.
who are you working with? Some of the producers and some of the artists that you're currently inspired to do collab with for the rest of the year, because 2019 coming to a close
Shortly.
All right, you see me, you know, there's loads of people that would like to work with. Right now, I'm working with my bridging Big Up Age. You see me? He's the one who mixed that track and thing. You see me? I'm working with a few producers outside of Africa. You see me? Big Up CJ Beats. He produced that track under No More thing, and I got loads of you. Gian, big up yourself, my brother. You don't know what the thing
Bad.
about bad.
Oh, yes. I saw the post this morning.
Yeah,
I saw the post this morning. Big up yourself, youth.
Yeah, man. Hopefully, in the future,
Yeah.
we work on something as well. You get me, because you don't know I'm a brother that is, see me?
Yeah.
And thing is, me. Big up Oscar 10 Star, same way. You don't know.
London Yardy.
We have the thing for work on as well, you see me? DJ Crazy, you don't know, always a support me. You see me? Big up everybody who support me, man. And big up Champagne Wayne, man. I'm a brother that is it.
Yes,
Every time is it. And for me still, what I see right now, there's loads of artists I love to work with, but I don't really like what I go on to the UK right now.
What is happening in the UK?
Alright, put it this way. You don't know me already, I always advocate for the UK artists them. And I see the changes. I see where they get in rotation and thing, yeah. But what I see, some people get rotation and act like them bigger than the thing.
Okay.
That's my personal point of view. You see me? I'm gonna respect that.
And what are your few words to them in that regard?
Just remain humble and put in the work. You see me? Not because the song probably I play a few times. I'm not throwing a word. I'm just speaking in general.
Right.
And I mean, say you make it. You get me? Just continue putting the hard work and appreciate who I play your music and stuff like that. You see me?
And remember where you're coming
from. It's not about
from.
who make it, or even if you make it, you have to remember your roots.
Where you're coming from.
Definitely.
Exactly.
You probably be Jamaican by heart, but you was boss here. You was chosen by the fan here to the world.
Yeah.
We are the one who highlight your music first, so it's all in full manner and full due that you give back a little bit of the highlight to where you are coming from.
Yeah.
And I get what you're saying.
Yeah. I'm still have to talk about the DJ them too.
Of course. Of course.
Because,
I mean,
because
it's a music industry.
I feel like personally, I see a thing when I go on the dance scene where I never enjoy party no more. You know why? Every DJ play for the same set list. I'm not really like. I know a few DJs who do differently. You see me? I know who try to bring something new to the table. But I can't take going to a party and I listen to one song 4 times and you have about 5 DJs playing. Come on, man.
That for me, I've seen that. I personally have seen it.
And
mix up it up.
One of them panelists.
I can't say something from along. It's the first time I see Jagana start play and I say, yo, that youth, I owe him before I know him personally.
Right,
you see me? Because what he brings to the table is something different. You see me? Like, I see the team on our work and on doing the thing, on try for doing the thing different. I'm fully appreciate that. You get me? I respect that. But you have some artists, some DJs out there. Yeah, it's like if them just have tick box of playing music.
So, alright, we play that one there.
Yeah, what? No, we'll leave the DJ a bit till little more cause we have Archangel and later on. So
yes.
When Archangel come in the building, we'll go a bit further about the DJ.
Delve
thing.
into that one.
We're talking about artist life and the craft of artistry. Or do you find yourself reinvent? Can you see you reinvent yourself quite a few times since I know you?
Yeah, definitely.
Or do you reinvent yourself to the current time and the current markets that's going around in terms of where dancehall music is going?
With me still, I listen to a wide genre of music. I don't really listen to dancehall alone and thing. And I try for kind of few different, like I listen to different music and try to bring them together. You see me? And for me right now, what I see, because I pay close attention to people, is like people more tend to draw for songs which have more melodies into them. You see me? And like I respect a man who full of lyrics and stuff like that, you see me? But at the same time you have to know, you have to kind of bridge the gap between lyrics and melodies, because and everybody can take on so many lyrics. So I try to kind of keep it as simple as possible.
So what you're saying, their attention span is a bit shorter.
Yeah, definitely. So you have to just kind of keep it on a melodic voice and just keep them going.
Sound like you have to start teach class.
Well, it's always a good idea.
It's a good idea. I mean, another source of income, and I mean, just
definitely.
imparting knowledge on to other people. So
well,
think about it for 2020 goals.
People who know me still, And in the game, I know say, yo, I'm a youth. Like, I always share my knowledge with them. If they don't know anything, they can always come to me for support. Even though some of them go and not appreciate it same way. But them know the thing, say. The Royal one always there for help. Because, as I say, the game is not only just for me, it's for us. You see me?
Definitely.
Yeah. So once
as we're saying, it's a big cake and it's a slice for everyone.
Yep.
Definitely.
You don't know, reach that time of the show where my little
Spotlight.
section, you don't know, like everybody will come up in here, you don't know. You have to do something. It's a freestyle. You know why it's called free? Because we don't pay nobody no money when them come up in here.
No
In TGM Radio, we don't pay no people no money.
Don't pay no money.
So right now, you put down your best 16 or your best 32 bar and I rhythm, then we'll just keep it flowing, nice and easy. Let's go.
Before I do that, and big up my mother. Anyway, my mother, I love you. You know what the thing? Another royal one, some tell them our thing does. Yo, some stepping on the street now. Me no left the in a full suit of black could feel launch and now how we lock down the block and we not take back chat from a boy violate that a straight box. I say you gone with it. At the royal one. Listen, hey, our styling different. Everything we do different. Step out fresh like Colgate. Be a gal a pray me. Me them one date. Enough boy, me them no rate. But me a touch them gal and them know that straight. 4-4 no left far from my waist. Me no jack star, boy me no chase. Chop yap them nah make no money them bank account. Me say, me now waste mine. How my money me a stack up. Enough of them used to hype. How you no see how them jagger. And me say, watch them a hype, don't make them check you. Them a bust a couple stacks, but enough of them a borrow cheddar fi spend a party. Back in the days, them used to have it, but now them just a live off of them name. Them once was not get caught in a them fame, them a pay. Yo, yeah. I like to want to show that up for the girl them. My girl just take a vibe and come link me. But make sure say you know. Up in your belly instantly. I love the way how you whine and Prepare for the ride all night. Feel so good when me inside, girl. I love it when you sit down and ride, girl. Cock it up, girl, ride like a bike and wine pon it, broke it off. Real bad girl, no, you no soft. Wine pon it, broke it off. Real bad girl, no. Me say, bad girl, how them like, whoa. They say you go with it. I feel the girl them, girl. Hey, I love the way how you whine, my girl. Love the way you whine, my girl. I love the way you whine, my girl. That's why I say, bad girl, how them like. Touch me anywhere me like. Them no fi do the little thing I way me like. Bad girl, how them like. Me say, bad girl, me want you. Make sure you back your talk to. You say you're wicked in a bed, girl. Son of a beg when me you rough it up. Make sure you can ride all night. Tsunami when we collide. You say you like come deep inside, girl. You like it, you me see it in the eye car. Bad girl, how them like. Touch me anywhere me like. In the park, in the car when we a drive. Bad girl, how them like. Yeah man, you see right now, at the royal one. You see what touch you, that different thing though. So Dragon, here we go now. Me say, hey, when we roll out, I be a gal who know we. When we roll out, yeah. Roll up inna the mercs now what the sun leave. A gal a free we them one know we. Sweet like honey them swarm we like the. Love off we style them want the action. That's so. They say him gone. Hey, me can't tell you something. Not because I wear my glasses. Don't make it chicken up. Listen, hey. We no take talk, bullet bust them head like a champagne cork. Them a use them teeth, take off y'all. Them boy they can't give in a tank. Man bust off them head me the day after dark. Bullet whip them skin just like shark. Keep my guns them Highland my knife them sharp. Like Rambo, monster bout them march roll up on them ends. Them a run up and down. Who did that talk tough? Now them wonder what it done. Bout them no bad like me thumb. No fist to fist thing. Me no Mike McCallum. Bout them a bust gun. Them a go bust bubble gum. All the tip neck them body flat up on the gong. Call bright like them a run left on the gong. This me in a the day dead by night. Fi come many time them see me them a run up on. Our things them not ordinary. No, our things them not ordinary. No, you see, you know what more things them ordinary. We are celebrate life now. So we go say, Hey, I'm gonna party like every day. It's my birthday. I'm gonna party like every day. It's my birthday. Dragon, life too short, so you feel full joyous. Party all night, here we have a good time from sundown straight back to sunrise. Hey, summer gone, this is summer. Tell them, summertime. Nicest time in England. Summertime. The nicest time in so me tell them a summertime in England. The nicest time in London. A summertime in England. The nicest time in London. A summertime in England. The nicest time in London. A summertime in England. The nicest. So me tell them say what a joyful summer. Girl them pretty like flowers. Broad like my mama. All the time I see them girl yeah. In a summer. Sun come out and girls roll out. Be a sexy body girl. All about. Girl them dash way. Like dirt man. Fresh heavy and short pan t-shirt. Girl a link up from east, west, north and south. Roll out the jabs, ride out the bikes. Mad. Dragon stars at them.
Ricardo Rawal and I think a push thing.
Check out the beers.
Oh lover, you know what the thing go man.
Stop it.
Mad thing, you see me?
Stop it. Thank you.
I enjoy that session there.
You did.
Big up Dragon Star, is it?
We're longer in a joke. I'll come back next week for the one day, understand?
Cool man, you know the thing go man, is
yes,
it?
ladies and gentlemen, that was Ricardo Rawal here on the UpNLive show. Send out your socials now, please. Look how the man has sweat. Yo!
Man
are working up, bruv.
Yeah.
Jamaican athletes, the man want them. I saw you take on your track.
So you take it on.
Road.
Yeah,
Cool man, cool man. Hey,
metal to the... What is the pedal to the metal?
But I realize still the jungle. Me talk about something really around. The man them really let us down still on a level. You see, I don't know this, yeah? What name? The Beast. I'm not name again. What kind of Marvin? You and Blake.
I mean, you... Oh, sorry.
Friend the man say, I'm done with the Beast.
Put him here in the fingernail them. Yo, I was girl. Yo, I don't know what
you come like him a do that Delilah or something.
Go girl them back. I don't know what go on.
Yeah, I swear. You see me? Yo, the man them let us down still. But big up the ladies them.
Big them up.
Well, how much am I coming Iris? I don't really want.
I don't even know.
Me not even know.
About 8.
Isn't it?
Or about 9. They have 9 lane. We are in our part. Me not even know him in Iris.
Yo, cool man, you see me?
Listen.
Yeah man, you see me? I'm gonna say, alright, big up to everybody who tune in, you see me? Big up to everybody on my live, you see me? I don't know, big up to everybody that's sending them requests. My mother, you know me love
big
you,
up mommy. Oh gosh.
You see me right
big
now?
Up mommy.
Let me take off my glasses.
Make sure see now your eye them my youth.
See my mommy? Yeah man, as me I say, yo, big up to everybody and thing who lock up. My mother, she one of my biggest supporter, one of my biggest fan, I'm love her to my heart, you see me?
People check in now, it's a balling moment, you know. Check in, you know.
Yeah man, you see me, so I love mommy to the heart, so I'm want to see her. Check me out, Facebook, Instagram, there's some mostly active, you see me? Snapchat now.
Which name? What all the people that I can find?
Ricardo Rawal, Rawal, Ricardo Rawal, you see me? Check me out, is it?
Yes.
I don't know, we have a bag of things and the way forward. Is it? And again, I want to say big up to everybody who support me along the way. Champagne, my brother, government Beamer, Nalo, the whole team, the whole loyalty family. You see me? I say,
yeah,
Oscar 10 Star, Super T, real brother them. You see me?
Yes.
Fabulosity events, big up yourself. You see it? And big up all of the girls who follow me same way. But
even though he's taken. You understand?
You know the thing, just keep following and support, you know.
You understand?
That was Ricardo Rawal and I'm the UpNLive show.